Let us talk about another topic, which is adaptation to hot climates. Desert. Many ways by which animals keep themselves cool in extreme hot climate are as follow. Let us talk about whatever the animals present in these extremely hot climate, how they survive. Animals living in hot climates such as snakes and desert fox spending the daytime during the hiding in a shady place such as burrow or behind bladders. They come out at night to for food, and they are called nocturnal animals. So basically, whatever the animals in this region, they hide from daytime. They not come out in day because temperature is extremely high. They come out at night to search of food. They have long leg and tail and very large ears. The ears have blood vessels near the surface. The air blowing across the air cool the blood, which in turn cools the body. Notice the large ears of phoenix fox that live in the desert. Okay. The animals sweat, pant, and lick to cool themselves. The sweat or saliva evaporates to cool their bodies, but these methods are not good if water is scarce. For example, in a desert, because these methods also promote water loss. You can read in class 6 that the camel is well adapted in living in desert. It has several adaptations for living in the desert. It has a hump where fat is stored. This provides it with the food in times of food storage. It can drink a very large quantity of water at a time. This water is stored in their stomach. It sweats very little. This helps to conserve water in their body. It excretes very little water in the form of urine. Its feet have large soles are suitable for walking on soft sand. So this is all about adaptation to hot climates in deserts. Let us talk about another topic, which is adaptation to hot and wet climates like tropical rainforest. The tropical regions are located near the equator. They have hot and wet climates. Since this kind of climate supports plant growth, the tropical regions are full of dense rainforests. The rainforests support the large variety of animals, and this is because of warm climate, constant supply of water, and availability of wind, variety of food. But their large number also the rainforest support a large variety of animals. This is because of warm climate, constant supply of water, and availability of wide variety of foods. But their large number also means intense competition for food and shelter. Let us talk about some important topics given in page number 100. First topic is many animals in rainforest are adapted to living on trees. First, trees gives them shelter, hiding place from predators, and also supply them with food. Monkeys use their hands and feet and also these tails to swim into branch to branch. The red eyes tree frog lives on trees and has a sticky pad on its feet that help it to climb trees. You can see this frog. Okay. A lion-tailed macaque is a good climber. Lives on trees. It get all the food it needs on trees and hardly ever comes down. It mainly eats fruit as well as other plant parts. It also catches insects from under the bark of trees. Some animals eat food that is eaten by no other animals. For example, toucan uses its large bill to reach fruits on weak branches that cannot bear its weight or the weight of other animals. Several animals have a skin color that camouflage that with them with the background. Jaguar has a spotted skin. You can see jaguar in figure 9.7. This is the animal jaguar. It merges well with the shadow of the rainforest floor, making it difficult to see. This help it in hunting. The elephant is well adapted to living in rainforest. It has a strong sense of smell because it uses its long trunk as a nose. It uses its trunk to pull down fruits and leaves to eat. It uses its trunk to tear and the bark from the trees which it eats. It uses its long ear to hear even soft sound and also to cool itself in hot and humid climate. So elephant, jaguar, toucan, lion-tailed macaque, red eyes tree frog, these are the animals in tropical rainforest. Okay, so this is the topic considered in adaptation to hot and wet climates that come in tropical rainforest, and after this topic this chapter is again also finished. Okay, you need to recall this chapter with the help of this concept map. This concept map is given in the book. Okay, you can see this concept map to understand how adaptation in animal giving in this whole chapter to cold climate, to hot and dry climates, to hot and wet climates. Okay, rainforest, tropical rainforest, desert and cold climate like polar bear regions. Okay, so you need to recall this chapter, revise this chapter, read this chapter twice. Okay, and then after make notes. I hope you also remembering the important terms whatever I taught you. Thank you.